Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to import data to DBeaver. First, open DBeaver and connect to your desired database. Right-click on the table or schema where you want to import data. Select Import Data from the context menu to launch the import wizard. This wizard guides you through the entire process, ensuring your data is correctly mapped and transferred. It's a straightforward way to populate your databases efficiently. Before importing, prepare your data file. DBeaver supports various formats, including CSV, XLSX, and XML. Make sure your file has consistent delimiters if it's a CSV. Check that column names in your file align with the columns in your DBeaver table. This step is crucial for a smooth import, preventing errors and ensuring data integrity. A little preparation saves a lot of time later. Within the import wizard, first select your source file. Then, choose the appropriate file format. The wizard will display a preview of your data. Carefully map each source column from your file to its corresponding target column in the database table. You can also set options like commit batch size, which impacts performance, and how to handle errors, such as skipping rows with issues. After configuring all settings, review them one last time. Click Start to begin the import. DBeaver will show a progress bar, and upon completion, a summary of the import results, including any skipped rows or errors. Always verify a sample of the imported data to ensure accuracy. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. This ensures your database is perfectly updated and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.